Introducing the Sunseeker X5 cordless smart lawnmower. The Sunseeker X5 has a navigation system that lets you eliminate the hassle of installing physical barriers, bye-bye wires, and set virtual boundaries with the app. For lawns with clear boundaries, you can activate AI-assisted mapping, letting the mower autonomously map and learn the area for less manual intervention. Multi-zone management lets you define spaces, add corridors between zones, and designate no-go zones. Meanwhile, route planning prevents missed or repeated parts caused by random paths. Ugh. Instead, planning efficient and, may we say, beautiful routes. Automation never felt so good. The Sunseeker X5 has an AONavi TM positioning and navigation system. That means combining real-time kinematic RTK satellite positioning with visual simultaneous localization and mapping. VSLAM. Pretty cool, huh? This enables full-time navigation and all-environment awareness for your all-environment yard with the wireless transceiver module. It also works in dense shade. This all means the Sunseeker X5 is always online, ensuring continuous connection and control through the Sunseeker app. The X5 uses Vision AI for environmental perception. That lets it navigate obstacles every time. With the Sunseeker X5, you get an all-wheel drive system that enables the smart lawnmower to handle rough, uneven terrain and enhances climbing ability, able to climb up to 30 degrees with ease. Underneath, the Sunseeker X5's blades have a floating cut system. What does that do? Well, it ensures better maneuverability and again, reduces the need for manual intervention. It cuts up to 22 centimeters width and between 20 to 60 millimeters high, so you can manicure with precision. And finally, when you get the Sunseeker X5, you can expect more in everything else. Worried about power? The X5 recharges itself. It works with Alexa or Google Home Assistant, and you can track it with the optional GPS and 4G module. The mower has waterproof design for fast cleaning, rain detection, and over-the-air upgrades, so you can keep expecting more every day. Because when you expect more with Sunseeker, you get more. More connection, more automation, more intelligence, more capability, more precision. And what does all of that mean? More time to enjoy with the ones you love. The Sunseeker X5. Expect more.